become future stars. Chapter 11. Making Things. Let's learn together. Learn how clay pots and bricks are made. Understand the use of different patterns and colors in pottery. Know the importance of safety while making pots and bricks. Long ago, people made pots to store water, grains, and food. Even today, we can see clay pots being used in many homes. A potter is a person who makes useful and beautiful things from clay. He makes clay pots, cups, piggy banks, lamps, plates, and other items. Process of making pots. First, the potter takes soft, wet clay. He kneads the clay to make it smooth. Then, he puts the clay on a potter's wheel. As the wheel turns, the potter shapes the clay with his hands. After making the shape, the pot is left to dry in the sun. When it becomes hard, it is baked in a hot oven called a kiln. This makes the pot strong and ready to use. Uses of pots. Pots are used to store water, milk, and grains. Clay pots keep water cool. Some pots are used for cooking. Decorative pots are used to decorate homes. Amazing facts. Clay pots not only keep water cool but also improve its taste and remove any odor. Pot patterns in nature. If you look carefully at nature, you will find beautiful patterns and designs everywhere. There are special shapes on leaves, flowers, seashells, butterfly wings, tree bark, pebbles, and even in the sky on clouds. These natural patterns make the world look colorful and wonderful. Potters often take ideas from these patterns found in nature. They draw similar shapes and designs on their clay pots to make them look attractive. Sometimes they make flower designs, sometimes leaf shapes, and sometimes they copy the lines and dots they see on pebbles or seashells. For example, some pots have lines like the shape of flower petals. Some have dots like the marks on a stone. Some have curved lines like the shape of water waves. These patterns are made before the pot is baked, or sometimes after, using paints and colors. Such designs not only make the pots look pretty but also show the love of potters for nature's beauty. That is why every handmade pot looks different and special. Patterns in Indian pottery. India is a land of art and culture. In different parts of our country, people make clay pots in their own special ways. Not only do they make useful pots, but they also decorate them with beautiful designs and patterns. People draw different shapes on pots like lines, circles, flowers, leaves, and dots. Many pots are colored with bright and eye-catching colors like red, blue, yellow, green, and orange. These patterns make the pots look pretty and special. In villages, people decorate pots for festivals, weddings, and other happy occasions. In different states of India, people have their own styles of decorating pots. In Rajasthan, pots are painted with colorful designs, dots, and wavy lines. The pots look very bright and beautiful. In Gujarat, pots are decorated with peacock and flower designs. Bright colors and mirror work are also used on some pots. In Manipur, people make clay pots with their hands without using a potter's wheel. They decorate these pots with simple and neat patterns, often using their fingers and small tools. Amazing facts. Even today, in some villages of Rajasthan and Gujarat, potters make clay pots only with their hands without using a potter's wheel. Brick. Bricks are small, rectangular blocks used to build houses, schools, walls, and big buildings. They are made from clay and are very strong. Without bricks, it would be difficult to make strong and tall houses. How bricks are made? First, soft clay is mixed with water to make it smooth. This clay is then pressed into rectangular shaped molds. These clay bricks are left in the sun to dry for a few days. After they become hard, the bricks are baked in a very hot oven called a kiln. Baking makes the bricks strong and hard so that they can be used for building. Uses of bricks. Bricks are used to build the walls of houses, schools, and offices. They are also used to make wells, temples, and bridges. In parks and gardens, some bricks are placed on the ground to make walking paths. Bricks help to make strong buildings that stay safe and last for many years. Safety first. When people make things like pots, bricks, or other materials, they must work carefully to keep themselves safe. Safety rules to follow. Potters should keep their hands clean and dry while working. They should be careful while using sharp tools. Workers in a brick kiln should cover their face with cloth to avoid dust. Children should stay away from hot kilns and brick ovens. Heavy objects should be lifted carefully. Recap. Potters make pots from soft clay and bake them in a kiln. Pots are decorated with patterns like lines, dots, and flowers. Nature has beautiful patterns on leaves, shells, and stones. People in Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Manipur decorate pots in special ways. Bricks are made from clay and used to build strong buildings. Word search. Potter, a person who makes things from clay. Kiln, a hot oven to bake pots and bricks. Pattern, a design made of lines, dots, or shapes. Brick, a block used for building houses and walls. Like, share, and subscribe.